Is Istanbul a safe city for tourists and travellers to be visiting? So if you're new to the channel, my name is Travelling with Comp, and my YouTube channel shows you some of the world's best destinations, and I give you some key advice and tips that you need to bear in mind when you visit these cities. So if you're new to the channel, please do click the subscribe button right now, and also everyone make sure you click the like button as well right now. It really helps the channel out, and it helps other people view this video so that if they are coming to Istanbul, they will get to know some of the key safety tips that you need to bear in mind. So to answer today's question, is Istanbul a safe city? Well, I've been here for 6 days so far. I've explored all the touristy areas. I've been to some of the districts outside of the touristy areas as well. And so far, I've had no issues whatsoever. For me, I've walked around day and night and I felt perfectly safe doing so. However, it is a very, very big city. It's Europe's biggest city. There are lots of people around. Public transport can get busy. Many of the districts are very, very busy. So you need to keep an eye on your belongings like you would in any big city. So keep an eye on your belongings just in case something does get stolen. But so far, no issues have happened to me. Also, there are a couple of scams that I would be aware of as well. So if you're in the Taksim district of the city at night, which is the main nightlife district of the city, be aware that some guys may try to get you to go into their bars and nightclubs. Some guys may come up to you, ask you to come in. Just say no. Don't go into anywhere where someone is trying to force you to go in, because it's likely that that place is not a very good place to go. Also as well, there's something called a shoe cleaner scam, where someone may accidentally drop like a shoe cleaner in front of you, and then they may ask you to pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick anything that someone drops in front of you up, because they may charge you for it. So that's the scam you need to be aware of. But otherwise, I've seen no issues in the city at all. I felt perfectly safe. Everyone is really, really friendly, and I really highly recommend you check out the city because it is amazing.